We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready? Begin. Down, up. 1. Down, up, down, down, down.
Darwin, please help me! Apologize. I'm sorry. I think it's time to have a little talk.
I love how Roblox is all like empowering imagination while Webkinz is all like, come in and play.
Let's see how they massacred yet another one of our childhood heroes. I'm out. You think I'm about to? I'm not watching this! Look! I'm tired of it.
Just what I'd expect from a couple of cowards like you! Ooh, who's the hardcore one now?
You, I guess.
That's right!
Nora, about our talk at the dance last night. In the garden, you know. Well, I guess after seeing Bob and Jean...
Harry!
Well, I think that love, a real mature love, is more than I'd imagined.
I guess so. On Bob and Jean, it looks...
Tell me, is it wrong for a punk rock chick who lives in a haunted, malevolent mansion to be touched by the magical friendship of a pony?
No.
Hi, I just want you to know that one of the only reasons I'm still alive is spite!
Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip with a friend? No way!
Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hofstadter. Where is he?
Ball pit.
Thanks for not calling the cops.
Oh, hey, it's no big deal. My sister's got a kid who's special.
Yeah, well, he's extra special. How did you get into this place?
Back door has a 5-pin tumbler system, single-circuit alarm, child's play.
If you don't come out of there, I'm gonna have to drag you out.
You can try, but you'll never catch me.
For God's sakes! Just come here!
Bazinga.
The show is going to be a train wreck.